Hello, my name is Maria Chaudhry, and I'm going to guide you through a meditation and a journaling experience for you to receive your word of the year. And before we begin, make sure you have your pen and your paper with you. After the meditation, you will be encouraged to immediately start to journal. Okay, let's begin the practice by clearing your space and setting everything aside for now. Together, we are going to enter into a deeply receptive state. Taking a nice deep breath, softening and adjusting your body, making yourself comfortable, straightening your spine, and dropping inside your body with your breath, allowing your breath to become a vehicle for you to follow deep inside yourself. Take long, slow, deep breaths, breathing deep down inside your belly, feeling your belly expand with each breath. And going even deeper inside, down into your hips, and pelvis. Breathing down inside your legs, your feet. Feel your feet on the floor and let your breath pour inside your body, down from your hips to your legs, to your feet. And let your breath pour into the earth, feeling grounded and stable. Feel yourself sitting on the chair. Sink into the support of the chair, bringing your awareness to the back of your body, breathing and softening the parts of your body that are touching and being supported by the chair. Relaxing your low back, your middle back, and upper back. And now connect with your heart, your radiant heart. Allow it to softly open with each breath, expanding and radiating. Allow your shoulders to drop back and down. Your arms are long. Your hands are relaxed and open. Feel your spine gently lift and just slightly tilt your chin downward so the back of your neck is a little longer than the front. Your jaw is relaxed and there's a soft smile on your lips. Your eyes are closed. Forehead is relaxed. The top of your head at your crown gently, so softly opens. Feel yourself lifting and expanding. Now, ever so slightly, lean back in your chair to open your chest and to open your heart into a more spacious and receptive posture. Imagine you're in the sunlight, the perfect temperature, and feel the glow of the sun on your skin. Feel how your whole body starts to open to absorb the warmth, to absorb the light. As you feel the light entering your body, as you feel yourself receiving the golden light, say to your higher self, I am ready to receive my word of the year. And allow your word to enter your body just like the rays of the sunlight. Allow your body to absorb the word as it reveals itself, as you're opening and receiving and expanding. As your heart is open and you have a smile on your lips, allow your word to arrive, to appear. Don't seek it or look for it. Let it come to you. Patiently allow your word might arrive as a knowing. You might hear it or see it or see it written out. You might feel the sensations of the word in your body. Let it come as it is. There's no need to question what it means. You can ask your higher self, is this really my word? This is a good question to ask because sometimes our minds want to tell us what our word is. Remember, this is a process of receiving, not choosing or picking. Taking a few more moments, confirming if this is your word. Allowing the process to unfold. Be with the experience, with your heart open and a smile on your lips. Receiving. When the word comes, when it reveals itself to you, beam gratitude to yourself, to your higher self, to the universe, to spirit. Beam gratitude for such a profound gift. Taking a few cleansing breaths, staying in this receptive state. Slowly start to open your eyes and pick up your pen and write your word on the paper. And now continue to journal, writing freely about your experience. As you're journaling about your word, ask your higher self, what do I need to know about this word? And ask your higher self, what is underneath the word? Or what is packed into the word that I need to understand? ask your higher self to remind you about this word throughout the year, to help you keep it as a focal point, as your compass, as you navigate life. And now write the words, I am, in front of your word. Your word is part doing and part being. It's something that you do, and it's something that you are. I encourage you to share your words and insights with all of us in the comments so we can celebrate you and who you're becoming. Every one of us has a unique word. Even if we have the exact same word, the meaning and the medicine is unique to us. And if you got a word that you understand right away, that's great, that's beautiful. And if you got a word that you don't understand what it means, that's great and beautiful too. That means there's a lesson unfolding, there's wisdom for you. And if your word hasn't arrived yet, that's okay too. Allow yourself to be open and receptive, and the word will appear. And if you'd like to go deeper, keep journaling. Keep receiving and expanding. If you enjoyed this experience, I invite you to share it with your friends and loved ones. Thank you.